watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome spring into your home with these budget-friendly decor ideas. From pastel accents to floral patterns, discover simple ways to revitalize your living space and embrace the season's vibrancy without breaking the bank. Pastel throw pillows. Swap out pillows for soft pastel hues to infuse your space with spring charm. Butterfly wall art. Add whimsy with butterfly stickers or framed prints, capturing the essence of spring. Birdhouse decor. Bring nature indoors with decorative birdhouses, inviting the melody of birdsong. Garden-inspired tablecloth. Elevate mealtime with a garden-themed tablecloth, adorned with floral or leafy patterns. Colorful vases. Brighten your space with colorful vases filled with fresh blooms, adding pops of spring color. Spring-scented candles. Set the mood with candles featuring scents like lavender or jasmine, creating a cozy atmosphere. Bamboo or rattan furniture. Embrace natural textures with bamboo or rattan furniture, perfect for the spring season. Terrariums. Incorporate low-maintenance terrariums with succulents or air plants, bringing greenery indoors. Decorative bird cages. Utilize decorative bird cages to hold plants or candles, adding a whimsical touch to your decor. Colorful rugs. Define your space with colorful rugs, injecting vibrancy and comfort into your home. Floral bedding. Transform your bedroom with floral patterned bedding, evoking a spring oasis. Hanging planters. Install hanging planters for vertical greenery, maximizing space and adding freshness. Pastel kitchenware. Introduce pastel-colored kitchenware for a subtle spring vibe during mealtime. Fairy lights in jars. Create a magical ambiance with fairy lights placed in glass jars, perfect for spring evenings. Watercolor paintings. Enhance your walls with watercolor paintings featuring soft, pastel hues for a gentle spring ambience. Lace tablecloths. Add vintage elegance with lace tablecloths, perfect for springtime gatherings. Beaded curtains. Install beaded curtains for a playful, bohemian touch, catching the light beautifully. Spring-themed throw blankets. Cozy up your space with spring-themed throw blankets featuring cheerful patterns. Botanical print upholstery. Refresh furniture with botanical print fabric, making a statement for the season. Vintage floral plates as wall art. Showcase vintage charm with floral plates as unique wall decor, bringing spring indoors. With these affordable decor ideas, you can effortlessly transform your home into a spring sanctuary, embracing the season's renewal and vitality. Let your space bloom with creativity and joy.